If there's one thing that the Modi government has mastered in its tenure, it is lying. Not policy, nor governance, but the art of lying. Obvious, obnoxious, blatant and audacious lying. And as the pandemic crippled the nation through 2020, so did BJP's lies.
कोरोना के खिलाफ जो युद्ध पूरा देश लड़ रहा है, उसमें 21 दिन लगने वाले हैं.
Let alone defeating the virus, Modi ji instead shamelessly put his hands up in the air merely a few months later. Forget about extending relief. The Modi government made helpless migrant laborers pay their own train fare when the country was locked down. Once questioned, the BJP was quick to resort to more lies.
यही बात है कि मतलब केंद्र सरकार मतलब हम लोग से पैसा लिए टिकट के 740 रुपया, पैसा वैसा था नहीं, लेकिन किधर से व्यवस्था करके उसको पैसा दिए, फिर उसके बाद में टिकट दिया, टिकट दे के फिर आया घर पे.
Coronavirus, Prime Minister Modi appeals to people to donate to the fund, says it will strengthen disaster management capacities and encourage research on protecting citizens.
PM Modi used government machinery to collect funds for PM Cares. However, refused to respond to any RTI queries on grounds that PM Cares is not a public authority.
न वहां कोई हमारी सीमा में घुस आया है, न ही कोई घुसा हुआ है, न ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है.
On June 19, in an all-party meeting, the Prime Minister denied Chinese intrusion. Well, if that was the case, Modi ji, then why did the Ministry of Defence say otherwise? And how were 20 Indian soldiers martyred?
ये पैकेज भारत की जीडीपी का करीब 10% है.
While the BJP government went gaga over how grand and effective the COVID relief stimulus package was, but the truth is, the package was barely worth rupees 3.22 lakh crore and a mere 1.6% of the GDP. It was a grand loan mela and only a fraction of it was pumped into the economy. In the run-up to the Bihar elections, Modi ji made grand claims that the COVID vaccine will be provided to every Indian, only to be corrected by his own health secretary a few days later.
पूरे देश के टीकाकरण की बात सरकार ने कभी नहीं की.
नए कृषि सुधारों से किसानों को नए विकल्प और नए कानूनी संरक्षण ही तो दिए गए हैं.
And last but clearly not the least, Modi ji consistently kept lying about the farm laws, even as farmers stormed the national capital in protest. Modi ji and his ministers have clearly made lying an art form, but as the saying goes, Modi ji, one cannot fool all the people all the time.